Agile innovation, adapting to market dynamics and customer needs. Title: Agile innovation, adapting to market dynamics and customer needs. Introduction. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, staying ahead of the competition requires more than just smart strategies and a great product. With ever-changing market dynamics and evolving customer needs, organizations need to adopt a proactive and flexible approach to innovation. Agile innovation has emerged as a powerful methodology that enables businesses to adapt quickly to market changes and meet customer expectations. This article explores the concept of agile innovation and its significance in today's business world. Rooted in the principles of agile project management and lean manufacturing, agile innovation focuses on iterative development, collaboration, rapid prototyping, and continuous feedback. Unlike traditional linear approaches, agile innovation embraces uncertainty and welcomes change as an opportunity to learn and improve. 1. Adapting to market dynamics. In today's fast-paced business environment, market dynamics can shift swiftly, presenting both opportunities and challenges for organizations. Agile innovation allows businesses to sense and respond to these dynamics effectively. By leveraging iterative and incremental development cycles, organizations can quickly develop and launch minimum viable products, MVPs, that address specific market needs. This iterative approach not only reduces time to market but also enables businesses to continuously test and refine their offering based on ongoing market feedback. 2. Meeting customer needs. Customer needs and expectations are constantly evolving, driven by changing trends, technologies, and preferences. Agile innovation empowers organizations to engage with customers early and often, providing a deeper understanding of their needs. By involving customers in the development process, organizations can gather invaluable feedback, enabling them to tailor their products or services to meet specific customer demands. The iterative nature of agile innovation ensures that customer feedback is continuously incorporated into product development, resulting in products that truly resonate with the target audience. 3. Flexibility and responsiveness. Agile innovation enables organizations to be flexible and responsive to changing circumstances. By breaking projects into smaller, manageable tasks, businesses can quickly adapt and reallocate resources as priorities shift. This flexibility is particularly important in highly competitive markets where organizations must respond swiftly to emerging opportunities or threats. 4. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity. One of the fundamental principles of agile innovation is the acknowledgement that failure is an inevitable part of the innovation process. Rather than shying away from failure, agile organizations embrace it and view it as an opportunity for learning and improvement. By encouraging experimentation and iterative development, businesses can quickly identify what works and what doesn't. Failures, when embraced and analyzed, can yield valuable insights that lead to better solutions and outcomes. 5. Collaboration and cross-functional teams. Agile innovation promotes cross-functional collaboration, breaking down silos and fostering a culture of teamwork. By bringing together members from different departments, such as marketing, design, engineering, and customer service, organizations can leverage diverse perspectives and expertise. This collaborative environment fosters creativity, accelerates problem solving, and enables organizations to tap into the collective intelligence of the team. The iterative nature of agile innovation allows for continuous collaboration, leading to faster and more innovative solutions. In summary, agile innovation is crucial for organizations seeking to thrive in today's rapidly changing business landscape. By adapting to market dynamics, meeting customer needs, embracing flexibility, learning from failure, and promoting collaboration, businesses can position themselves for success. Agile innovation is not just a methodology, but a mindset that enables organizations to respond swiftly, stay competitive, and create products and services that exceed customer expectations. By embracing agile innovation, organizations can navigate the complexities of the market and emerge as leaders in their respective industries. Agile innovation is not a one-time implementation but an ongoing process that requires commitment and dedication. Organizations must create a culture that values experimentation, encourages continuous learning, and supports open communication. By embracing agile innovation, organizations can foster a culture of creativity, adaptability, and agility, enabling them to stay ahead in today's dynamic business landscape. Implementing agile innovation requires a shift in mindset and a willingness to challenge traditional ways of working. It involves breaking down barriers between departments and encouraging collaboration and knowledge sharing across the organization. Agile teams should be empowered to make decisions and take ownership of their work, with leaders providing guidance and support rather than micromanaging. To successfully implement agile innovation, organizations should invest in training and development programs to equip employees with the necessary skills and tools. It is also important to create an environment that supports experimentation and allows for failure without fear of repercussion. Organizations should celebrate successes and learn from failures, using them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Agile innovation is not limited to product development but can also be applied to processes, services, and business models. By continuously evaluating and adapting their offerings, organizations can ensure they remain relevant and meet the evolving demands of their customers. Agile innovation is a mindset and a set of practices that enable organizations to respond swiftly and effectively to market dynamics and changing customer requirements. It focuses on iterative development, collaboration, rapid prototyping, and continuous feedback. One benefit of agile innovation is its ability to adapt to market dynamics. In the fast-paced business environment, market dynamics can shift quickly, presenting opportunities and challenges for organizations. Agile innovation allows businesses to sense and respond to these dynamics effectively. By leveraging iterative and incremental development cycles, organizations can quickly develop and launch minimum viable products, MVPs, that address specific market needs. This approach reduces time to market and enables continuous testing and refining based on market feedback. Another advantage of agile innovation is its ability to meet customer needs. Customer expectations are constantly evolving, driven by changing trends, technologies, and preferences. Agile innovation empowers organizations to engage with customers early and often, gaining a deeper understanding of their needs. By involving customers in the development process, organizations can gather invaluable feedback, tailoring their products or services to meet specific customer demands. The iterative nature of Agile innovation ensures that customer feedback is continuously incorporated, resulting in products that truly resonate with the target audience.